fine. Your voice is coming properly and you are visible properly.
Okay, so okay for as I introduced myself already, but for the sake of audience, I would like to introduce myself again. So, as you know, my name is Ghanendra Bhardwaj, and I'm calling you from Uttar Pradesh, Aligarh. Recently, I have graduated. I did my engineering in computer science, and as far as my hobbies are concerned, I like to play cricket and listen to the music. So, and I also run a YouTube channel where I upload, conversational videos over there. So that's all about me.
Yeah, that's a great, great introduction. So now this is my turn, right?
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
as I
good.
told you, my name is Ranjit, and if I talk about my qualifications, so I have done 10 plus 2. And in my hobbies are listening English songs, reading English book, articles, watching English movies, and I have little bit interest in drawing pictures. And that's why you can see me, I'm a little bit artist. So this is all about me.
Okay, glad to know about you. So, uh, okay, so how's everything going on? How's your practice and our YouTube journey is going on?
Yes, everything is going on fine.
Okay, so you are a YouTuber.
Means yes, I have started my YouTube journey recently. Means before 20 days ago. Yes.
Okay, so how often you upload videos on your YouTube channel?
So I upload the video every day, and that's why I have completed means 25 videos on my video, because I uploaded 2 video in a day. Short one video call video, means one video and one short video. That's
Okay, that's great. So how many subscribers did you get so far?
in 20 days I got 30 in subscribers. Yes.
Okay, that's amazing. Nice to know about that. Actually, I also, I also wanted to record a video because today I didn't have any conversation, so I just thought like let's have a video conversation, and nobody was available for video conversation, so to speak. So and you were available. I think you were active, and I just saw your message and I called you, but yeah, you were available for audio call, and now then you became you got comfortable with video call, then I video called you, so now here we are.
Yes, I told you in audio call the same that I am in the farm, not at my home. You can see all these things. Are you able to see all these things or not?
Yeah, right, I can see.
So I'm at my farm, not at my home. That's why.
Okay, that's amazing. Now, like it is not a bad background. I think it's a quite good and best background. I would say. I'm also from Blaze, and I also have farm. So, and I have also recorded so many videos while sitting in alongside my farm. So it's not like you know showing that background is bad. So it's okay. You should feel
That's
comfortable with that.
uh, background is doesn't matter, because we know that we have to immerse ourselves, and to immerse ourselves we can do anything. And in that case, background is doesn't matter. Background cannot let us stop to do our work, and that's why we
Exactly.
have to work anytime.
Yeah, absolutely. So, are you from Blaze? You're from
Yes,
Blaze, right?
totally. Yes, yes.
Okay. So, so tell me, like, why are you learning this language, and what led you to learn this language?
So first of all, though, I'm learning this language because I like to learn new languages. And other thing is, I wanna become a trainer, because where I'm living, there no one knows English except me, and that's why I want to teach them, and I want to make them a English speaker, so that they can easily talk, they can easily go anywhere. Because nowadays, about English, and today's generation, because nowadays English is spoken across the world, and that's why English is needed for everyone. That's why.
Yeah, exactly. That's great. So you mentioned earlier that you like to draw something. Like you have interest in drawing. So when did you learn this? To draw, and from where did you learn it? From YouTube or from any teacher or what?
I didn't learn anywhere about this drawing. I just started drawing, and I got that I have a unique thing in drawing, and just this. I didn't join with any institute to learn about the drawing.
Okay.
Okay,
Actually, I
so
was also yeah.
would you like?
Yeah. So do you have right now?
Yes, in this my mobile I have. Just
Yeah, of course.
let me search. Yes, let me search.
Yeah.
Where is the picture which I have made? So I'm checking right now if there is a
Okay. Yeah.
in
Take your time.
picture.
You can take your time.
No, no picture in my this mobile because this is my new mobile which I recently have purchased. That's why this mobile I don't have any pictures. In my old mobile I have all the pictures, and that's why I am unable to show you my pictures. So next time I will show you.
Okay, it's fine. Totally fine. You can send me later. You can send me
Okay,
later after recording this video. Okay. It's
okay,
fine.
okay.
So actually, I was saying like I also had quite a good interest in drawing, and I was also quite good at drawing when I was in 10th and 12th. So after I to draw, and so I didn't draw anything. So that's why I'm not. If I if I draw something right now, I won't be able to draw anything because it's been 4 years since I drew something.
So bro, I came to know about my drawing when I drew first time in my 12th standard. During my 12th standard, I drew one pictures, and that was amazing. I saw that picture to my means classmate as well as the sir. So sir admired me that you should draw. It means you should draw the picture. And from that day, I thought that should I draw the picture? Then I got the idea. No, I should. And whenever I get the time, that time I started drawing, and like this way I draw. Means I got my drawing skill in standard 12. Yes.
That's great. That's quite nice. Okay, so so apart from this app, do you have any other app to practice it on?
No, no. Apart from this app, I don't have any app, but yes, I can say this thing that apart from this app, I practice with myself by using a mirror and also this mobile camera. I just put this mobile in front of me and I start recording myself, and I speak about any particular thing, like any topic. We can easily take about cricketers and our favorite game, our favorite means anything. Just we have to take the topic and we have to speak, and then we have to watch our video, and where we did make the mistake, we have to correct it. So like this way
Hmm.
I do.
Exactly, you very well said. It's very fine to record yourself. It help you. To you can see just your changes, your mistakes, where where are the places you have to work on. So you can see everything. I also do the same thing.
Okay, okay, that's great because we all learner knew about this thing that where we are living, there is no person with whom we can easily practice, with whom we can easily speak, and that's why we have to take support of this mobile and the mirror. These are the our support. Yes, that's why we have to use it.
Exactly, you're right. So, as I can observe that you are speaking quite well. So, how long have you been speaking this language?
Yeah, so I have been speaking these languages for 1 years because I started learning English for 1 years. Okay.
Yeah, that's why your English is quite nice. Yeah. So, what about
Bro,
yeah? Yeah, please go ahead.
so I wanted to say that when did you start this learning languages?
Okay, I started learning this language in the month of the January of this year, 2024 itself. So, from that day on, I have been learning this language, and I have been
Wow,
speaking this language. Yeah.
that's a great, that's a great. Yeah.
Yeah. So actually, I've started my journey way before than 2024. Like in way before than January 2024. But at that time, I had been learning grammatical stuffs from YouTube. I was not paying attention, too much towards speaking because I had no one to talk with. So, and out of blue, I came across a video on YouTube, and I started exploring that channel. So in that channel, there was a lady who was uploading conversational videos, and that intrigued me, and I was very curious to know, like, what this app is where they are talking on. So I connected with her, and I also recorded my first video with her. Okay, and from that day I got to know about this application, and I had been uh, having practice from that day, and it significantly changed my life. It turned my life, totally upside down.
Yes, real. Because we know that without practicing, without speaking, we cannot improve our English, and that's why we have to speak by hook or by crook. And that's why for this application, this Skype app is good. We can easily talk with anyone, anytime.
Mm, you're right. So when did you join this group?
So I joined this group before 3 months. Okay, only one for
Okay.
3 months.
Okay. So as you have earlier mentioned that you have been learning this language for more than 1 year. So,
Yes,
and now you are saying that you just joined this group 3 months ago. So,
yes.
before 3 months ago, like 3 months ago, what have you been doing? Like, where have you been practicing?
Yes, I told you in this video that uh, before joining this Skype app, I used to practice with myself by using this
Okay.
mobile mirror. And when I came to know about this app, then I started talking with the people
Okay. So, do you talk daily, regularly?
daily. So I cannot talk because I have some work. I try to talk every day, but because of some work, I am unable to talk. Whenever I get time, that time I surely talk.
That's great. So, do you have anything to ask?
No, no. We can wind up our video here, right?
Okay, then it's fine. Okay. So, it was lovely talking to you. So, take care. Bye.
Yeah. Bye. Same to you.
Bye.